Shenzhen Yurgalux Photoelectric Technology Company Limited was established in 2021. It is a comprehensive manufacturer integrating R&D, production and supply, and supporting the production and customization of outdoor solar sensor lights. We specialize in the production of solar wall lights, solar garden lights, solar floodlights, solar street lights, and other solar sensor lights. Passed the AMC ISO 9001 2015 Quality System Certification. The company has passed the SGS In-Depth Inspection. Lifetime reliability has been tested by a third-party laboratory and issued a certificate of acceptance. Advanced battery capacity tester, solar panel tester, photoelectric parameters, and other equipment laboratories. Comprehensive rainball tester, IP67 waterproof tester 6 tester, IP65 waterproof tester 5, reliability tester, oscilloscope. Test equipment to ensure efficiency and product quality. We always adhere to the selection of high-quality raw materials, strict production process, and quality control to ensure usability, high-quality, high-stability LED solar streetlights to help customers win the market in the competition. With the business philosophy of make every lamp the best. The products are mainly exported to Europe, America, Japan, South America, Southeast Asia, and other countries. We have always firmly believed that Yurgalux is willing to open cooperation, share and win-win, and work hard. Work with partners to create themes such as health, intelligence, energy saving, art, and lighting. We will be great honor for you to recognize our company.